Next, I'd have people clench their jaw, make a really tight jaw, but don't do this if you have TMJ. I just want to warn you. So very simply, in order to perform progressive muscle relaxation, a few things that you need to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is slowly have some deep breathing, maybe 3 or 4 deep breaths. The way you do this is you close your eyes and you begin to breathe. In, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3. In, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3. Keeping that breathing rhythm going, you would slowly begin to tense different muscles in your body. Most people, I start with their head and I ask them to furrow their brow or to make their eyes, close them as tight as they possibly can. So let's go ahead and start that. Go ahead and close your eyes and squint, squint, squint. 2, 3, and relax. 2, 3. Now go ahead and squint your eyes. 2, 3, and relax. 2, 3. Next, I'd have people clench their jaw, make a really tight jaw, but don't do this if you have TMJ. I just want to warn you. Go ahead and clench your jaw. 2, 3, and relax. 2, 3. Clench your jaw. 2, 3, and relax. 2, 3. Slowly you'll move all the way down your body by shrugging your shoulders, clenching your fists, making your forearms stiff, any muscular area that you feel that you hold tension. Remember to ask your doctor if it's safe to do this, but in almost everybody it is.